Let me ask you something. Imagine meeting a 59-year-old man who looks younger than your little brother. No wrinkles, no sagging, no gray hair, none. Just smooth, glowing skin, endless energy, and a body that screams youth. You're probably thinking, this guy must have the best genetics on the planet, right? Well, think again. What if I told you that genetics are not the reason Chuando Tan looks like he's 30? That's right. What you're about to discover will completely challenge everything you thought you knew about aging. Because this isn't about luck, it's about something so much more powerful. And trust me, you're going to be shocked when we reveal his most powerful habit at the end of this video. Mental resilience, the #1 factor behind his youthful energy. Now, we're going to start with something unexpected, the mind. Everyone talks about diet and exercise, but the truth is, if you don't get your mind right, none of it matters. Chuando Tan's real secret isn't what he eats or how much he lifts. It's his mindset. It's the way he thinks. It's the way he perceives the world. His mind is a key factor in how he feels and looks. And here's the thing, mental stress is one of the biggest accelerators of aging. Stress ages your skin, damages your cells, and puts you in a constant state of exhaustion. If you want to look younger, you need to stop stressing over things you can't control. Chuando's mindset, it's all about peace, balance, and calm. He doesn't overthink, overbook, or overwork. He doesn't let the little stuff get to him. And you know what? His body reflects that peace. Imagine going through your day without feeling the pressure of deadlines, the weight of responsibilities, or the anxiety of constant stress. For Chuando, it's all about taking life one day at a time and not allowing negative energy into his space. And let me tell you, it works. It's not just about feeling good mentally, it has an actual effect on his appearance. A relaxed mind translates into relaxed skin, smoother features, and a body that isn't constantly battling cortisol, that stress hormone. The power of positive thinking. What about positive thinking? It's not just a catchphrase. For Chuando Tan, it's a powerful tool that impacts every aspect of his well-being. Positive thinking doesn't just make you feel good, it directly affects your body. When you focus on positive thoughts, you lower your cortisol levels. Lower cortisol means less inflammation, less skin damage, and better overall health. It's that simple. But here's the kicker. Positive thinking isn't just a random habit that makes you happy, it's science. Positive thinking activates the body's parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation, digestion, and cell regeneration. In other words, the more positive you are, the more your body repairs itself and the more youthful you'll look. So when Chuando wakes up and tells himself, today will be great, he's not just motivating himself, he's actually setting the stage for his body to rejuvenate. How you can apply it? Simple. Start your day with gratitude. Focus on what's going well, and if you hit a snag in your day, don't let it control your emotions. Keep moving forward and let that positivity flow through you. Watch how quickly it starts reflecting on your skin, energy, and overall health. Stress is the silent assassin of youth. We already know that stress literally ages you, but let's talk about how it works. Stress is a killer for your health. It messes with everything from your digestion to your hormones, and it's the silent assassin of youth. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, and this causes a surge in cortisol, the stress hormone. Now, if you're stressed out all the time, your body never fully recovers from the stress. The result? Accelerated aging. Here's where Chuando has mastered the art of aging backwards. He doesn't sweat the small stuff. And I mean it. No drama, no toxic people, no unnecessary pressure. He prioritizes his peace of mind above all else. If something doesn't serve his health or happiness, he cuts it out of his life. He takes care of his mind as much as he does his body, and that is why he's managed to stay youthful. How can you do this? Start with one small change. Don't let something trivial ruin your mood. Let it go. Don't dwell on negative thoughts. You'll be shocked by how much younger you feel and look when you focus on inner calm. The real secret behind his fitness routine. All right, let's get to the physical part. What do you think of when you think of someone who looks 30 at 59? Intense gym workouts, hardcore strength training, heavy lifting? Well, think again. Chuando's fitness routine is completely different from what you'd expect. He doesn't overtrain. He doesn't spend hours in the gym. And he's definitely not chasing some unrealistic bodybuilder physique. His focus is on functional fitness, meaning exercises that mimic real-life movements. Instead of burning himself out, he focuses on building a body that moves well and stays healthy long-term. He includes strength training, swimming, cardio, and flexibility. But here's the thing. His daily workouts rarely last more than 30 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, only 30 minutes. It's all about consistency, not intensity. It's about doing the right exercises in the right amount of time without overexerting yourself. And this isn't some intense body-shredding routine. It's simple, effective, and sustainable. Chuando does bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges, simple but extremely effective for building lean muscle and improving strength. He's also big on cardio, but not in the run for hours sense. He's a fan of swimming, which works every muscle in his body and is gentle on the joints. Swimming builds endurance, flexibility, and muscular strength without putting stress on your body. Swimming, the ultimate ageless exercise. We can't emphasize this enough. Swimming is the fountain of youth. It's the exercise Chuando swears by, and for good reason. Swimming isn't just about getting in shape, it's about longevity. Unlike traditional weightlifting, swimming doesn't wear your body down. It's low impact, which means it's perfect for maintaining muscle mass and joint health as you age. For Chuando, it's the ultimate workout. Swimming boosts cardiovascular health, tones muscles, and increases flexibility, all of which are key factors in looking and feeling younger. Think about it. When's the last time you heard someone say swimming was too hard on their body? It's a perfect whole-body workout that keeps you lean, strong, and ageless. Plus, it's relaxing. While you're swimming, you're also de-stressing. And that's just another reason why Chuando looks decades younger than his real age. Sleep, the hidden weapon you're ignoring. You won't believe how much sleep has to do with how young you look. You've heard it before, but let me tell you, sleep is the anti-aging hack you've been missing. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Lack of sleep accelerates aging. I'm talking about everything from skin damage to fatigue and weight gain, and yet, most people still ignore it. Chuando knows better. He makes sleep a non-negotiable priority. He gets 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted rest every single night. He follows strict sleep hygiene, making sure his environment is perfect for a full night of sleep, cool, dark, and tech-free. Sleep isn't just for energy. It's the time when your body repairs itself. Muscles grow, skin regenerates, and your hormones reset. If you want to look like Chuando, your body needs rest to keep up with that youthfulness. The one rule that will change your life. Now, here's the big secret. The one rule Chuando follows that has made all the difference in keeping him young. Are you ready? He stops eating after 7 p.m. You heard me right. No late-night snacks, no heavy meals right before bed. This isn't just about food. It's about giving your body the time it needs to rest, digest, and repair overnight. Eating late messes with your digestive system and throws off your sleep. By cutting off food after 7 p.m., Chuando gives his body a chance to fully rest. He lets his body focus on repair rather than digestion. This simple change has huge benefits when it comes to maintaining a youthful appearance. How you can start living like Chuando today. So what's the takeaway here? Is it all about genetics? No, it's about making the right choices every day. Choices that will slow down aging and keep you feeling and looking younger longer. Here's what you can do today to start living like Chuando. Mindset shift. Focus on staying calm, peaceful, and stress-free. Practice gratitude daily. Movement. Get active every day. Start with a simple walk or jog and build in bodyweight exercises to strengthen your body. Sleep. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest and follow a consistent sleep schedule. Food. Follow Chuando's rule. Don't eat after 7 p.m. Let your body rest and repair itself. Swim. If possible, incorporate swimming into your routine. It's the perfect, low-impact, full-body workout. Now that you know the real reason Chuando Tan looks 30 at 59, what's stopping you from looking younger too? It's not about miracles. It's about making smart, consistent choices every single day. Are you ready to age backwards like Chuando? Drop a comment below if you're committed to making these changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest health tips that could change your life. And stay tuned, because next week we're going even deeper into anti-aging secrets that are guaranteed to blow your mind. Catch you soon. Let's stay young together.